What is going on YouTube? My name is Ty with xking.com. Hit you with another video. In today's video, I'm looking at the app again, Bumped. Bumped is a stock back app. It's a cashback app. To give you the short version, you apply for this app. Okay, they roll out it took me 8 months to get into this app, first of all. Okay, you gotta sign up for it. You're on the wish list for a very long time. Some people took a year, it took me 8 months, some took 2 months. So you sign up for this app. Once you finally get access to it, what you could do is when you shop at these stores or whatever stores near you, every store is different, you would get fractional shares back through those companies. Okay, so his BP, Chevron, Exxon Mobil, and Shell, A&C, which there is no movie theaters playing right now, but there's Netflix up here. So you have Netflix up here. You have a Netflix bill, you will get fractional shares back every time Netflix runs your debit card to pay that bill. So that's neat. That is automatic. That is just great, automatically. Quick Eats, they got Burger King, Chipotle, Jumbo Juice. This is my area. Everyone's different. Some people have different stores. Some have McDonald's. Some have a Home Depot or Lowe's. Some have Amazon. Some have Amazon. So everyone's different. All right. So don't get upset if you can't find. So BP, so gas, I go to BP because BP is number one. It's on here. Number two, it's on my I have a Get Upside Gas app. I get cash back at BP. Number three, I own 4 shares of BP anyway. Okay, that's why I invest in BP. And then Sam's Club is the only thing up here. We go to Sam's Club anyway. And Kroger. I don't shop at Albertsons, so there's no one near me. But Kroger is a nice one because where we live at, there's a Sam's Club we go to, and like right beside, I'm literally a 10-second drive is a Kroger. So we go to Sam's Club to get our big stuff, waters, drinks, our massive stuff, oatmeal, and we will pretty much walk to Kroger and get all the small stuff. We don't want to get in bulk. And that's cool with both of these cards. Portfolio here. It shows you my portfolio right now is $28.18. This was all passive income, guys. This is all passive. All I do is lay my debit card and use it as normal. Okay? Let's see. Let's see here. Portfolio. Go home here. And these are my recent transactions. Now you see the word D. D means dividend. You can pay dividends here too in fractional shares. I can pay a dividend. And when you get paid a dividend, I can reinvest. It will reinvest for me towards that same stock. Okay, this is very passive. This app was not made for short term. This is made for long term growth. This is made for somebody who works, who, if you're an Uber driver, perfect, because you get fractional shares back. Perfect for somebody who wants money and cash back with stocks. And then the cool thing about this is once you have enough, fractional shares, it will turn to a full share once you hit that full share. So once you're at 99% of a fractional share, once you hit 100%, it will turn to a real share. Like you got a one full share of this company. Just by shopping there all the time. So guys, I will leave a link below. It's not an affiliate link. They don't have no affiliate program. I'm just linking this so you can click on the link, install it for yourself, sign up, and wait. Is it worth it? Hell yes. This app is worth it 110%. So that's it for my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.